I'm here to order Cev Puri. So 3, 1, here. Do, parcel. Yes. This one and...
Indian street food often features the use of hands in preparation and serving. So, kung sobra ka maselan, hindi ka makakakain ng foods nila. And so, the key ingredient here in Cev Puri is the boiled potatoes. Now, he will add chaat masala to add tangy, spicy flavor and salt. And dashing green chutney made of cilantro or coriander and mint. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang onion and tomato. And he's adding tamarind chutney. Then mekos. Malapit nang natapos. Ayan, ang sarap na niyan. Yan ang favorite ko, yung Cev, yung yellow.
Cev Puri.
Street food of India.
Very nice. Before it's only 30 rupee. Now increased price 40. Sarap. Ito, this one is flat. Some Cev Puri is the round ball. So itong lasa niya, the taste is like spicy because of the tamarind, sweet, and may tomato, onion, Cev yung yellow snack. Sarap.
Majim na.
Tulog na.